Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird.
Here we are at the airport filming the new series, Two Idiots Abroad, and here's the new Carl Pilkington with his perfectly round head.
Went searching for Spanish golden pussy.
Oh yeah.
Sponsored by
Tails up.
Yeah. Just a start.
Bonus night, isn't it?
Bonus night. You never know, we might get more yet. I said, well, you? He's got a gun, he's full of pellet. Yeah, I know.
Duncan's just been punched in the head by the guide. That's 16 reads.
punch in the head of a mosquito. Do that back.
It's mental. It looks like you've been kicked in the head.
Here we go. Athlete. A true athlete.
Talking about jiu-jitsu, baby. So you get a body like this. Your jiu-jitsu body, baby.
You're a fucking plonker.
Huh?
You're a plonker.
So you're saying that when I dragged all this bulk out of this chair.
We're out here hauling cats and carp because you're such an athlete. You're up for the challenge, isn't you?
I just need to work my arms a bit more, that's all. I'm not interested in fishing. Show the guns. Unleash the guns.
Got those water pistols.